Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how can you turn on or how can you shut down your iPad when the screen is frozen. To shut down your frozen iPad, you just need to guys press and quickly release both volume buttons. You can you will find here the volume buttons. You have to just press both the buttons and quickly release them and hold the top button until the power slider appears. So just again I'll repeating, just need to press both volume button guys. Hold press your volume button, both volume button, and release it, and then press and hold the top button until you see this slide shut down, this button. And this is essentially guys a force restart of your iPad. So yep, hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye.